I stayed in that position with a plastered leg and without standing up. I stayed in that position for 3 months. After staying in for that position for 3 months, when I started, like they removed my plaster and they said, now you are okay. Internally the parts are good. Now you can walk. But I forget to walk. I don't know how I can lift my leg. And if I lift my leg, how I can put the leg on the floor? And if I don't put the, like even if I put the leg on the floor, how I walk on that? How I make a balance of that? I already have an experience of the other leg which is working. But even because of 3 months, I didn't walk too much. I was missing everything. I was feeling that I am like a new kid who just born and now he is trying to learn. Then I have taken the help of the different stuff. I asked my brother and everyone to just stay with me, and then I started walking. I started for 1 day and then 2 days and 3 days, and then I'm good. So, but because in just only 3 months I lose the understanding how to use my legs. So the thing I am saying is, whatever we are not using, it will be becoming dormant. Whether it is my leg or whether anything. It doesn't mean that you don't know how to use it. You can use it. But when you start using it, you will be at the baby steps. You have to do more hard work to learn. You already know it, but now it's gone. Now you have to do more hard work, and then only you can start with the walking part or using that part. Same way, we have all the comforts. Most of the time, because of this comfort, because I'm saying, not saying that you don't have to use it. Yes, use it. If the devices are there, if the things are there, you have to use it. But if the things which is taking you out from yourself, at that point you are losing the control. You are putting it in a dormant situation. If this is in the dormant situation, automatically the things gonna vanish. The more you do that, you are more focused on the activities of mind. You are empowering the mind. When you are empowering the mind, those devices which is given by God to us, it will become more dormant. And the vicious cycle goes on and goes on and goes on.